NASDAQ eyes the dotted line. Will a short-term breakout explode? Date, May 28, 2025 chart. NDX, NASDAQ 100 current price, 21,414.99. Pre-market, 21,476. Hello, this is Top Trader Genelog. You can follow the chart-based insights directly on the blog, and live updates on index flow are shared through our real-time broadcast. VPAR chart explanation. This is the NASDAQ 100 chart. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend turning points. Consolidation coupled with an upward trend represents a trading entry point. Each chart has its own wave pattern trend. Following the rebound from the medium-term resistance supply level mentioned last week, it is now showing a pattern of re-establishing itself on the short-term line. The trading point is focused on checking whether the swing support line at 21,540 is broken through within approximately 1 week. Pre-market highlights. Phase shift. The NASDAQ 100 closed the previous session with a strong upward reversal, plus 2.28%. As of the pre-market, it's hovering at 21,476 and reapproaching the swing support dotted line at 21,540. Asian markets closed mixed. Europe slightly weakened with consumer sectors lagging. U.S. futures are tilting bullish, led by tech, suggesting a possible micro-phase reversal in rhythm. Alignment view. U.S. indices in sync. S&P 500 futures, plus 0.2%. NASDAQ 100 futures, plus 0.5%. Dow Futures, plus 0.1%. The rhythm across major indices is synchronized bullish, and NASDAQ 100 is pacing the charge as it tests above key swing trendline zones. Rhythm trap. Sector rotation highlights. AI, semiconductors, eyeing a new breakout near resistance. Fintech, consumer, potential rebound entry from recent dips. Energy, commodities, pullback in oil equals resistance test. Ongoing financials, sideways consolidation amid rate fluctuation moderation. Visual mapper, technical flow reconnection. 120-minute chart, holding above centerline. Breakout retest of swing support dotted line 21,540 with RSI plus MACD aligning. Daily chart, 3x rejection at the short-term trend line. Yellow solid with price compressing. Right pointing arrow. Breakout equals explosive. Weekly chart, trend remains up. Price sitting between swing trend line, white solid, and dotted zone. Yellow square note. Short-term support equals yellow dotted line. White large square. Swing support equals white dotted line. Strategic scenario, entry, targets. Stop loss light bulb based on RHYTHMIX VIR 6.9 plus Fibonacci. RSI as supplemental logic type range. Value rationale, entry $21,350 to $21,420 above centerline, with volume rebound confirmation target $1, 21,750 dotted breakout and resistance compression target $2, 22,320 expansion near 161.8%. Fibonacci swing projection stop loss $21,180 break below centerline loss with RSI less than 50, MACD rollover risk. Rhythm summary monthly, macro rhythm stable, candle length extension evident weekly, sitting just below resistance band, RSI cooling but not reversing daily, compression below dotted line, third tap rhythm supports reversal 120-minute, early breakout rhythm, MACD crossing plus RSI 61 right pointing arrow risk on bias. Technical indicators summary RSI 14. 62.4 entering strong trend confirmation zone, MACD 1226, plus 4 5.2 still expanding. ADX 14, 28.3 healthy momentum level. Stochastic 96, 91.1 overbought but consistent with trend continuations. Fibonacci zone, swing, $22,320 approximately equals 161.8% from $20,850 to $21,420 impulse. Macro and news summary. PCE data, May 31st, expected at plus 0.3%. MOM, a key inflation trigger. Fed watch May 29th. Scheduled Fed speakers may shift tone on rate path. Tech drivers, NVDA, MSFT, AAPL maintain heavy order flow into Q2 close. Comment, you're walking above the dotted line. What holds in rhythm today may rise as the next wave tomorrow.